Hello, I am Trenton. I work for True Agency Real Estate. I am the graphic designer and systems designer, and I've been in charge of setting up our Monday systems. Right now, we've been functioning out of not the systems I'm creating, but these systems over here. The new ones that I've been creating are these Agent 1 workspace, Agent 2 workspace, and Agent 3 workspace, and then the TC workspace. TC stands for Transaction Coordinator. TC is this file right here, Transaction Coordinator. So the issue that I've been running into is I'll show you how I designed the system. So the idea is that they're going to get leads from the Wix or from the Monday forms that you have set up, which will provide them leads in here. And when you get a lead, you can add it to your contacts, which is this right here. And it just has your priority type and your phone number and some few other things we wanted from them. And then the idea is that once you add a contact in here, you would then come to either a buyer or a listing. And then you would type one in, say Jerry. And the idea, once it loads, is that you come over to here and you can click Jerry is the client who's connected to the transaction. Um, that works all fine and good until you come over to here, and so it should automatically add Jerry. Yeah, there's Jerry. Just added now. The problem is that I need it to have, the idea is that we're creating a brokerage that will have 40 agents and that a transaction coordinator should be in charge of maybe 20 of them. And so I'm trying to get all the individual data from one agent, their contact page, and all these other pages to flow in correctly into here, but the mirrored columns and the connected columns don't work. They work all the way down. And so if we want just agent one's board to mirror here and then agent two's board to mirror here and their contacts, because for example, well, I guess you don't see it here, but if you see it here or here, maybe we try to link their contacts, but each agent is going to have their own contacts board. So that means it would have a different row, and then it just gets really bulky with blank rows. I'd like to figure out how to separate the boards that they're connected to by group. So this one will be connected to one contacts board. This one be connected to a new contacts board, and the same here. And that's pretty much the main problem that I'm running into. Um, and that a lot of like if our agent is in their active buyers, they have their contacts here, which is a mirrored board or a connected board. When they look down that on their phone, they don't see it either. So that's what I'm trying to set up. Right now, I only have 3 agent workspaces that I'm testing out of, but the idea is that we're going to have 40. And so the system that we create has to be able to grow to be that big. Um, I get that that's not a huge understanding of all this, but that's the basis. And so then the other problem I have is like if they weren't separated by agent, the agents were just all in here. If we had these individually not, um, if you change this one, it will like to a different board, for say. These ones will get lost. These won't automatically connect to the new board. Like if I were to change which board this is linked to, these would get lost and I would have to reconnect them to the new board. They could be variable so that I could pick the one I want, and then these would automatically change because the columns are going to be uniform through all the boards. That'd be nice. But if you guys have any ideas, I'm open to that. Thank you guys for allowing me to explain what my problem is. I'll be getting back to you. If you guys can get back to me, that'd be awesome. Thank you so much. Bye bye.